Hello, everybody. It's Chad from Colorado Giants, and yes, it is Tuesday. That means it's time for an update. An update on what we got going on back here. Really, the only thing that is noteworthy is that the 1911 plant is still growing. Bernie, the plant is still rocking and rolling pretty okay. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm impressed, but compared to everything else, it's doing well. Other than that, the only thing worth noting is the mouse still wreaking havoc on my irrigation system, which I'm trying to water right now. And as you can see, that is a total cluster F right there. So I'm gonna have to shut that line down. Whoop. Zoom in. So right there, total bunch of nonsense going on right there. Matt DeBacco once again reached out and showed me these really cool ultrasonic mousifiers that makes a noise that's supposed to agitate the mice and get them away, or rather keep them away from my patch. So I got those on order. They should show up tomorrow. Hopefully they will get the mouse out of here, because it's really annoying, because some of these lines are so deep inside the plant I can't make my way out into the middle of that plant right there, because I would do more harm than good potentially. My alternate plan is to just turn on my my mini wobblers that are there and there, and turn those on for a much greater time throughout the day, rather than just using them in a misting capacity, more of a substantial watering capacity, if my irrigation gets basically ruined by this stupid flipping mouse. But anyway, so I was just downloading the footage from my time-lapse camera. Let's go to that. So this is about 30 days worth of pumpkin growth on the Bernie, and I think it's really cool. I'm happy with it. The only thing I don't really like is the flagging of the plant and the shadows. I think I need to narrow the time that I'm taking the pictures, but it's really cool to see all the plants fill in. And yeah, I mean, time lapse is really cool. I'm enjoying this tool. So yeah, that'll be neat once it's all done. I downloaded it, I set it back up, so it'll go the whole duration. But looking at my chart here, Bernie is 37 days old. Estimated weight on the old chart, 364 pounds. Not impressive in any way, shape, or form. Sorry, Bernie, I love you, but actually, you know what? You're doing a good job. These other two pumpkins here and over here, those are the ones that are. But I can't complain. You know, it is what it is. 14 pounds per day average for the last 7 days on that guy. You know, I think I'll be on the struggle bus to make it to 1,000. It should be achievable though, but you know, won't be much more than that. I'm gonna leave my computer here, so I'm gonna tell you the numbers. The 1984 Baron times the 1911 Urena. That one is a whopping 122 pounds. 7-day average on that pumpkin. Half a pound a day. I know. 32 days old. And then the Bell back over here, I'll show you. That one's taping at 110 pounds. 30 days old, 5 pounds per day. So all in all, nothing that is overly impressive in my pumpkin patch this year, unfortunately. Man, and I gotta tell you, I'm super flippin' disappointed. These are the best plants that I've ever had. You know, Ron Wallace has been a big help to me this year. You know, Matt DeBacco answering my questions. You know, both of those guys. If you ever have any questions, reach out to them. They are always just a treasure trove of information, and they're always willing to help out. But look at this plant. It's 1984. It's growing beautiful. It's the nicest plant I've ever grown. The main vine, I've had to turn it to keep it out of the bushel gourd, and it's still growing. I don't even have the tip cover on it anymore, and it's still not burning. And look at that pumpkin. What a beautiful pumpkin that is. Neon orange. I definitely want to grow this plant again. I think it's just, I don't know. something that I did, something going on. I don't know. And then the bushel gourd. These are, I mean, this plant looks amazing. I've kind of let it get a little wild, especially over here. But this plant, this bushel gourd plant, is just as big as those pumpkin plants over there. I've been trying to set the bushel gourds like right here at like 12 foot out. So I started with that one that, obviously hasn't taken. That one that I don't think has taken. That one looks like it's turning a little brown. Didn't take. I'm not sure if this is going to take. Did these ones. And then tonight I'm going to do that one and hope and cross my fingers that I actually get a bushel gourd pollinated. Because, I mean, again, this plant is also beautiful. This is a beautiful plant. And I'll be darned if nothing's really happening with it. So, son of a gun. And moving down the 1211, the 1211 alts, whereas when the plant was small and kind of immature, it was just burning, it wasn't growing, the leaf sizes were not symmetrical or anything like that. Now it's quite nice. The leaves are smaller in size, like I would rather them to be. No burning anywhere. So I don't know. This year is just quite perplexing to me. Very strange. I hear another drip line somewhere that's let go. I've patched them so many spots. I was going to show you, but I think I shut that line down too. So this is the 1211 alts, guaranteed orange seed. Probably my least orange pumpkin out of all of them. I do see the flakes of orange in here, so maybe it's a late bloomer in the orange department. 110 pounds. Kind of got it's not developing into the wheel shape I had hoped. It's getting kind of a big butt on it, but it's still trucking along. And beggars can't be choosers at this point. And then we got another one over here. I'll show you. This is one of them that, when I kind of realized that I was just going to let this plant go and not do a whole lot. I just kind of wanted some porch pumpkins, or somebody wanted to buy a big old jack-o'-lantern or something and kind of grow them for them. Oh, actually, I can get to this line. That's good. I can fix this one, because that's one heck of a break. Note to self, go shut off the pump. And so I haven't measured this one. But again, this 1984 seed, beautiful orange pumpkin. And I would say that one's probably 80, 100 pounds or so. But that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to go shut off my my irrigation system so I don't just totally saturate this section. But we are in August 6th. Knock on wood. I don't see any powdery mildew. End of June and August, start of August is when I usually start to get it. In my patch, I've been decently productive or preemptive with the Eagle 20, so I've been throwing that down. So hopefully it just stays away this year and I can get a pumpkin to 1,000 pounds, and cross my fingers that the other ones will get 250 or so. But that's it, guys. Appreciate you sticking around. Oh wait, hold on, let's go look at the gourd plants. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Sunflowers doing good. This one's about ready to harvest all the sunflower seeds on it. Gourds are all the way at the top of the arbor up there, and I'll start trying to set some of those. And there is the lovely one and only Emily. Ow! So let's turn off the pump. Hey, if you are in the Denver area, August 13th, I will be throwing out the first pitch for the Colorado Rockies game. So come check that out. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel. Like, share, tell a friend. Get out there, grow one of these pretty orange pumpkins that are right there. Have a good one.